So yesterday I had an emergency tooth surgery. When you have these occasions that you cannot eat well, you cannot eat this regular solid food, there is this dish that you call a ju. So today I'm going to make it with egg and carrot. Okay, so let's start. It's really easy to prepare. Just the carrot. We are going to cut it into small pieces, or even smaller pieces. I'm just cutting one more time. Egg. You just gonna crack one. There. Sesame oil. Stir fry a little bit on the rice and the carrot. So we are going to put 3 cups of water. You would ask if you need this much of water of the amount of rice, and yes. Make sure that you stir it from time to time so that it does not stick, the rice does not stick on the bottom. So once it starts to boil, I'm going to put the heat down to low heat. 15 minutes after you lower down the heat, it's almost all cooked. Now I'm going to put this in a blender. In this process, it's really important that try to get only the rice, and also you are going to blend it with cold ice cold water, because or not because of it this is hot and you're going to blow out. So I put almost all the rices in. I'm going to put it in the blender with ice cold water in and blend it. Okay. And blend it together, and this is gonna give us amazing taste. So we are going to put it back into a pot because we are going to boil one more time. So we are heating up in a high heat. This time I'm going to keep stirring. So after start boiling in a high heat, like 2 minutes, and I'm going to put the egg that we prepared. And so in about 2 minutes, put the egg in. It's all done. Look at this texture with rice. It's all blended so well. It's all done. It's really soothing and nice for me right now. It's perfect for me right now. So be well, don't get too sick, and take good